Just to let y'all know, we right. So I don't want to go live right now because you never know, the power will go off and God knows what. So I'm praying to God the power do not go off. I'm really praying to God today. The Special Fellowship of Sisters 47th Street. Definitely my church fellowship. So we right over here. So West 107, West 113, West 111, West 115th Street, West King Drive. King Drive might want to evacuate. 95th East, you might want to evacuate too. You never know. The power might go off about an hour or two. So this is very, very serious. So once again,
70 to 80 mile per hour around.
So 103rd, 107, because 107 is next to 103rd. So basically 103rd is next to 107. Now 11 is after the 11, like 107, 108, 111, 104, 103rd, 105th. I know my block because I've been driving, and cutting grass and mowing lawn. You see water lines stuff, but 95th, 103rd, 107th, 111th, 105th. But the 95th in the south, I think, almost hit us. Or the south. And he took evacuation immediately.
East.
Frost, you outside? No, I'm at the middle of the side. I'm not at that point. I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, though. It's not that bad, though. Wind is kicking our ass like 100 miles per hour. Check outside a little. And, yeah, it's not that bad. Yeah, we kind of got some flooding. Yeah, we kind of, ain't no trees out or nothing. They're gonna lighten the truck. So we fucked. Yeah. Waiting for this to end about another hour or two. They go wind blowing. Not even probably 60, probably 75 miles per hour. I ain't talking about quarters, dimes. Talking about a $20 bill plus a $20 bill, or a $5 bill plus a $5 bill, or a $10 bill plus a $10 bill. I'm talking about that. That wind is blowing hard. They go lightning flash. It look like it ain't happening like that, but it look like we ain't getting hit like that. But it's gonna end around 12 something. To get worse, but this is 50, maybe 50, probably 60 miles per hour. It's probably gonna be like Monday or so. But they're talking about June or something, but it's not gonna be like that. Yeah, just weather, winds blowing 25 miles per hour.